Hello everyone, welcome to She Drives Data's Tableau classes. Today we are going to talk about filters in Tableau. If you missed any of our previous classes, just go to our channel or visit the SheRose app or visit our website www.shedrivesdata.com. So what are filters? Filters are used to selectively view the data. Whatever visualizations we create, if we want to see only part of it with selected data according to certain conditions, then we can use filters. Now let's look at an example. I've saved this workbook on Tableau Public and I will link it to the notes of this video. You can access it from there, and each of these sheets have been named MC, MC1, MC2, etc. because I explained the marks card concept with these sheets. The marks card video has been published previously. You can get it from our channel. So let's start with a new sheet called F1. These will be the filter sheets. Okay, I'll explain filters with these with these sheets. Okay, let me give you a quick overview about the business case and the data. The data I'm using is a fictional data set. Let's say my best friend Maria owns a fashion store, okay, and she owns a lot of retail stores in the United States where she sells clothes like bottoms, tops, dresses, etc. And we have her data from 2014 till early 2018. Okay, and since she doesn't know anything about data analytics, she has given me the opportunity to work with her data and drive insights from it. Okay, so let's use this data to understand filters. So what are filters? Filters are used to select data based on certain conditions. We have several filters in Tableau. There are extraction filters, accessible filters, and so on, user filters. But instead of going into technical terms, I'll just demonstrate how filters work, and then you can play around with the data and figure it out for yourself. Yeah, it's much more easier that way. So let me see, we'll go to a previous example. So this map shows all the sales that Maria has had in the United States over the 4 years. Yeah, see, California has this much sales, Utah has this much, Texas has this much, and so I want to, this is for the entire 4 years. Okay, now I want to see for data, sales data just for the year 2017. Okay, so for that I want to see it in a map. So for that I'll first select country. I'll set up the map first, and then state, yep, and then sales data as color, and then I'll put date of sale. I want to see only 2017 data. I'll add it to the filters. Once you add it to the filters, you see it's asked what filter do you want to apply. Do you want to see just year, according to year, quarter, months, days? See, it can drill down to individual date, that level of to that low level data it can drill down to. I'll just use years for the sake of simple understanding. And then you have to select whatever criteria you want to apply the filter to. Oh, sorry, none. Apply this. Yeah, see, this filter has been applied. California, see, there was no sale here in, which state is this? Wyoming. There was no sales in 2017 in Wyoming. You get all these other state data, how it did in 2017. So California was the best state for Maria. 1 second, where is it? Yeah, and there was Illinois, there's New York, right, Nebraska, Texas, etc. Now I want to apply another filter. Now I see that California is this 82,000 something, right? And then Nevada, Colorado. Um, Now let's apply the filter to something else. Yeah, let's apply some other filter. So this time, see, in California we have 82,000. New York looks darker, it is 46,000. I want to see the states that did really well in sales. Let's say I'll just apply sales. Yeah, apply some. See, I want to see sales. This is the maximum number of sales that we had in 2017 in California, or all over US. This is the maximum we had, right? So I want to see all the state did sales, all the state that sold more than 50,000. I can either drag like this, or I can just type it out. 50,000. Okay, there's just California, right? So I'll just I'll remove that. I'll again add some next. I'll change the value. I'll 25,000. How many states did above 25,000? Texas, California, Washington, Pennsylvania, and New York, right? So, and I want to see only those. So, and I want to see the profitability of each of these states. See, but this Texas and Pennsylvania are at a loss. Even though they are doing well in sales, their cost is exceeding their the sale value. So I want to exclude. I'll have a deeper look at these two states. I'll just exclude. This is another kind of filter called extraction filter. Yeah, I can exclude this. I want to exclude Washington, and I'll exclude, yeah. So these are the two states that are in loss, and Texas comparatively is at a bigger loss, right? See, we got so much information just by filtering out certain content and then further drilling down. Now this is just the basics of filters. I've applied the filter on the map mark. You can apply to other charts and marks as well. You can practice it on your systems, and I'll be back with more filter related demos tomorrow. Yeah. Subscribe to us to get our updates, join our community at Shiro's app, or visit our website where we talk a lot of data science.